In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit quantity on Shopify. This tutorial will guide you through the process of managing your inventory effectively by setting limits on how many items a customer can purchase from your store. This can be especially useful if you're running a promotion, have limited stock, or simply want to ensure more customers have access to popular products. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your store's homepage. This is where all the magic begins. So, let's continue by heading over to the Products section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it to see a list of all your available products. Next, locate the product for which you want to set a purchase limit. For this example, we're going to select the Example Shirt 2. Click on this product to open up its details page. This page is crucial as it contains all the information about the product, which you can modify to suit your needs. Now that you're on the product details page, look for the inventory section. You'll see a label marked as Available. Click on it. This section allows you to manage and control your stock levels. Here you have the opportunity to input the number of items you currently have on hand. Ensuring accurate stock levels is vital for smooth operations, so it's always wise to keep this information up to date. Once you've clicked on Available, you'll want to proceed to the next step, clicking on On Hand. This field defines the actual physical quantity of stock available. It's important that this number aligns with what you've counted in your warehouse or stock area. Correctly setting this figure helps in maintaining transparent and efficient tracking of your inventory. With these steps, you've now accessed the necessary fields where quantity limitations can be applied. Though the direct capability to enforce purchase limits on Shopify might require additional applications or extensions, making sure your inventory settings are appropriately configured is essential groundwork. To wrap up, limiting quantities in Shopify involves a few straightforward navigational steps within your admin interface, leading you to key areas where you can adjust your stock details. By staying on top of your inventory, you can maintain a healthy balance of supply and demand, avoiding overselling and ensuring that your valued customers remain satisfied with their shopping experiences. I hope this tutorial has clarified how you can navigate Shopify's inventory settings to start managing your product quantities more effectively. If you have any questions or would like to explore more on purchasing limits, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling on Shopify.